Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to do a request for Starzy. Hi, thanks so much for the request. And I'm going to do what's in my fridge. So here's my fridge. And now I'm going to show you what's in my fridge. So you just come over. And the first thing you're going to see is yogurt. My kids, I have two, a 10-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they love yogurt. And then under that, you see, this is where the sandwich stuff is. Cheese and bologna and hot dogs. I know, not very healthy. And some crescent rolls. And under that are hot dog rolls and some wheat bread. This is me. This is my wheat bread. I love turkey sandwiches on wheat bread, and my kids love hot dogs. And then under that there's water and some wine from the box. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just kidding. And over here are eggs and milk, and we love milk. We drink like so much milk, it's unbelievable. And then I have rice in there, and I have some meat for tonight that I'm gonna cook, fry up, because my son loves meat and rice. And here's the door, sorry, and here's the butter, and sour cream, and cream cheese, and some jelly, and Dayquil. And here's where our mayonnaise is, and my kids like mayo, I like Miracle Whip. My little boy loves his salsa, Parmesan cheese. That is delicious, delicious French onion dip. Here's my ranch dressing that I love with my buffalo boneless chicken wings. Here's salad dressing. And under here we just have, I know this is not very healthy, but it's delicious. But this is my favorite juice in the whole wide world. It's V8 Splash Berry Blend. It's delicious. And some more water. And this to add to your drinks. So this is what's in my fridge. And I know there's not too much in there. I know I could eat healthier. I know the drill. Oh, I forgot down here. Here is, my little boy loves apple juice, as you can tell. And here's just garlic, because when I cook, I love garlic. Garlic is like the best. So that's just like a thing of cloves of garlic. It's delicious. Okay. So that was what's in my fridge, and thank you so much for the request, and I hope it wasn't too boring for you guys, but I actually watched one the other day and I was like, wow, I can't believe I watched that. I was watching Cake on a Wire. She did one and I was like, wow, I can't believe I just sat there and watched it. It was really actually interesting. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.